Hi and welcome to another episode of It's Not Motovlog this time because I'm now in Vietnam. I've been transferred to work here under the request of my company. And this place here is called Uông, a small city in the Quảng Ninh province in northern Vietnam. So during the first week of settling down, I went to this central market to bought some necessities like toiletries, skincare products, containers, and also network SIM card for data connection. So along the street you can see there is some watch stores. This one is some electrical stores. So in front is some key verification services, some clothing stores, some florists, and also a lot of banks along the street. Finally, some peaceful place. I've made a mistake before I came here because I thought the climate here would be similar to Malaysia, just around 24 degrees Celsius. So I didn't bring along the hoodie that I bought from the Netherlands. The temperature here could dip as low as 12 degrees Celsius in the early morning. So I went on to bought a new hoodie from the central market. While the hoodie from the Netherlands cost 11 euros or 50 ringgit Malaysia, this one cost 60 ringgit Malaysia with the brand UA here, you know what I mean? And I have to cover it up to avoid some copyright strike because this one is a counterfeit product. Actually, I arrived here the week before the Spring Festival. And this marks the first time I celebrate the Spring Festival outside my home country. It's a total different experience. Today is the 1st of February, which is also the 4th of the Lunar New Year. 年初四點嘅樣？年初四咁樣？咩話？年初四咁嘅樣？ So I wish everyone happy Spring Festival. Chúc mừng năm mới. that's all for this episode. And do remember to follow me for the next video for Malaysian in Vietnam. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next episode.